welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. Head and face shave today, 2 days growth, and I'm going to be using a soap today which I've used before, but this is a new base, or a new base for me at least. There is the label. You'll probably know what it is if you have recognised or used this company before, and it is, well, that's the scent Old Sport. It says on there Kodiak shaving soap, 4 ounces, and it's made by Murphy and McNeil. Now, I've used the soap before, and well, it's mainly a cream really, it wasn't really a soap, and I have to be honest and say it was pretty average. I didn't really get on with it very well. This, on the other hand, it's very dark. It's got a really nice cologne scent, it's sort of powdery, creamy, bit of chocolatiness to it, I don't know. I don't know the scent notes, I haven't even read up on them, I've got no idea, I'm just sniffing this and giving you my thoughts right away. But the big difference, it's reasonably hard. Well, it's quite hard. It's certainly one of the firmer type soaps on the market at the moment. So for my head shave, I'm going to whip it up with my Graydog board brush, which is a 27mm Omega bow knot that was removed from a Professional 100, I believe. There is the handle. There is Bloodwood on the top and Spalted Oak from Graydog's Garden on the bottom, and there's that lovely knot on the top. Now this is such a good knot, far better than Simog's offerings of bow knots in my opinion. I'm going straight onto the dry soap. I haven't bloomed this, I haven't soaked it, I haven't done anything with it. Right, 10-second load, I'll make it 13. Because I haven't used this before at all. Certainly it's a nice scent. I'm not quite sure what the scent is, whether it's based on anything, I don't know, but it's a very nice scent. I could certainly see me just getting away with that as a cologne. I think the wife might like it. It's definitely a warm scent, definitely works well for the winter, which over here in Western Australia it is winter right now. It's very, very cold. I say very, very cold. It's about average probably 15 degrees temperature during the day, Celsius. So I know people over in Scotland and England are going, fucking hell, 15 degrees, that's like t-shirt, suntan weather that. But yeah, when you've been here for 13 years, it's bloody cold. Right, let's start adding some water. Let's see what this soap base does. Now this soap base does have duck fat and beef tallow, or in this case, tallow beef. I can tell already the lather's better than the previous lather from the sort of cream that they used to sell from their old base. It's definitely better. In fact, it's far better. I think, to be honest, that'll do me. With my head shaves, I'm not too fussed on my lather. As long as the residual slickness is reasonably good, that's all that matters for me. And I am using, once again, I'm just going to use this Headblade until the cartridge is dead. Beautiful. The scent strength's still there. The scent strength out the tub's not strong, it's like a 3 or 4. It's around about a 4 I would say on the brush lathered. The Headblade, here we go. straight against the grain. I've had no issues with this razor since I've been using it with this new cartridge. I had someone comment on one of my old Headblade videos yesterday saying Headblade sucks. I thought that's really informative. Thanks very much for your input and thought process. So I messaged them back saying, well, what actually sucks about it, other than the fact that it's all plastic, pretty much. I know for those with big hands, big fingers, this model's no good. I'm not sure whether they do a fat hand model or a big finger model, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure whether that is a thing. It should be, if I'm honest. I'll tell you right now, that's not a razor that's shit. There's very few people I know that have turned to this to try it and had poor results. And most of them, it wasn't poor results as such, it was just, it cut them to ribbons because they, for whatever reason, it didn't work for them. And that's fair enough, it's not going to work for everyone. I'm not here to say it doesn't suck really, I'm just here to say it doesn't suck for me. We are 7 minutes 50. As you can see, this cartridge cleans out very, very well, as opposed to the 3-blade cartridge that is sold with the Headblade and sold as Headblade cartridges. They are awful. I don't recommend them. Just a few spots of irritation on the back. There's nothing, absolutely nothing. Right, I'm going to rinse this brush out. That's BBS, by the way, there's nothing left. One pass. One pass and slight touch-ups. A really nice scented soap. Very cologne-y. It's quite sweet. I don't know what it's almost got a sort of oud-like thing happening in it. Now Murphy and McNeil, I've got absolutely no idea what they charge for these soaps. I'm sorry, I haven't even looked. This was a gift or a trade from Marion the Barbarian. And I've got a few spots of blood. Excuse me, but nothing major. So there we have it. Old Sport from Murphy and McNeil. That's the label at least. That's the soap there. There is your ingredients list again. The Graydog 27mm bow knot. Just a beautiful brush. And the Headblade Moto. Honestly, it doesn't get much simpler of a shave. It works. I've definitely got irritation on my head, I can feel it. I don't know whether it's the soap, I hope it's not the soap. Be surprised if it's the razor, because the razor's been spot on for the last 3 uses. But who knows, maybe after 3 uses this blade's on its way out. That tends to be what happens with cartridge razors. They just don't last long enough. Immediate post shave is really, really nice. I can't really grumble with the post shave. And with that, stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.